Mic check, 1 2 1 2, and we're on. Hello my cheese, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Nondie Gods, aka The Gods. I do hope you click the subscribe button and stay a while. Anyway guys, super excited as per normal, as per usual, about today's video. I'll be giving a little bit, we'll be having a little chat surrounding gifting oneself. And I'll also be unboxing my MqXhosa order because that's my gift to myself, from myself for this month. So if that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned. So on gifting oneself, this question came about from one of the day ones of the channel, King Karma, all the way from Namibia. She basically wanted to find out how I go about gifting myself because it's something that I've mentioned on more than one occasion in my videos. She wanted to find out how I set it up, where it began, and how I budget for it. So basically guys, quickly, I grew up in a reward-based household. It might have seemed like I had the latest threads, the latest sneakers, etc. growing up, and people would deem me as a spoiled brat. But as grateful as I am for having not lacked anything growing up, it was not just cut and dry. My mom only rewarded good behavior if I'm pulling my weight around the house, if I'm performing well, eskolweni, etc. So it would be a matter of, Opumela, your report card looks very good this quarter, so here's some money to go buy the Nike Cortez you wanted, or the Adidas Superstar that you've been wanting for the longest time. So obviously as I grew up with that. I went to varsity UJ. As I'm getting my pocket money, after I've done all the necessary things that I needed to do, I'll take a little bit of money and buy myself something just to reward myself. Same when I started working, same when I'm back at school. Any bit of money that I get, I always have to filter in rewarding myself. Guys, people place value on different things. You might find buying alcohol as an important thing. You might find traveling as an important thing, etc. So the first point of departure is writing down a list and identifying what you would like. Then as you earn or as you get money, you buy something and tick it off your list. I feel that is very important because it is a form of self-care and self-love. Advocate, love yourself first. It makes life much more bearable and much more easier and just exciting to a certain extent. Like for me, for example, if I know I have a package that I've ordered online that's going to come in the month, I really want to see another day versus not wanting to wake up when Umgoa literally takes over some other days. So okay, it basically keeps me going and makes my life more interesting and more fun. Yes, people are open to subscribe to any school of thought that they want, and other people might feel that spending money on yourself or spoiling yourself is a waste. I will deem it necessary. So spoil yourself, make it a tradition. Normalize gifting yourself. So even when a partner comes, they know that you've already set the bar for yourself and they can't be below that. Moving on to the reason why everyone is here. But anyway guys, if you have any more questions about gifting yourself, comments box down below. Anyway guys, the reason why you are here because of this gorgeous black bag with rose gold writing. This is my first MqXhosa, my first luxury item that I've ever bought myself, ever. Anything luxury that I have is from my mom. So this is my package from MqXhosa. Before I unbox it for you guys, let me just go into the logistics and how I got it to my doorstep. I placed this order, I think, on a Tuesday. I'm not too sure of the date, but literally on a Thursday afternoon. I played it on a Tuesday at night, on a Thursday afternoon, because that's the best time to online shop. On a Thursday afternoon, it was at my doorstep, 100% on the logistics. And even when I was asking, because before I ordered this particular item, I engaged them on Twitter, asking them how long it's going to make, because they make them per order, and he's like, no, we have some in the shop of this particular mask that you want, but if there isn't, it will take about 7 days, whatever. So I figured that out because I need it for something that I'm going to be doing sometime soon. So I'm like, okay, let me just order it. Ordered it on a Tuesday, got it on a Thursday. Then basically what I wanted this for, guys, was because of course we're in a pandemic. These are compulsory. I'm like, why don't I just be stylish doing it or protecting myself from the virus? And also, guys, even if we are not, it's not compulsory, it's not made compulsory to wear masks anymore, I can use this going forward. MqXhosa is a very big deal, guys. I've wanted pieces from MqXhosa for the longest time, but obviously I'm not the target market. But I send these zens, I send these facts, I send these fonyos into the target market. The golf tee that I want is like 3 point something, if not more, and the shorts that I wanted are also 3 point something. So it's something I will get in the future, but not right now. So uzixolisa, I don't know in English. So uzixolisa, I decided let me just cop something small from there. This will be worth something in the future a lot, and I can even give it to my kids. I'm planning to travel abroad soon, as soon as everything is over. So this will be a nice piece to show that I am African and I am Xhosa. So anyway, guys, moving on to what I copped. You guys might have guessed it, obviously. I got myself a mask. So here it is, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. It's written MqXhosa in red, in black on a red background. And then it's got blues, yellows, reds, nudes, like all my colors in my closet. That's why I picked this particular one. I think there's about 12 choices, guys. There's a lot of choices. And the mask retails for 600 rand. Absolutely love it. I know I'm an extremist, guys. I had masks for 15 rand and I have a 600 rand mask, which is something I'm going to keep forever, guys. Like, MqXhosa is really a big deal. I didn't even know it was adjustable. It's even adjustable. Wow. So there we go. So basically, obviously, guys, I'm doing things back to front as per home. I got this, and it's just a paper bag. It had a gift card, but I don't know where the gift card is now. It's probably in my room, but it had my name on it, and then they're telling me about my experience, and then the tag, E.T. Inspired by traditional Xhosa beadwork patterns, MqXhosa attributes this design in acknowledging the contribution Xhosa people have made with their astonishing colors and culture. So shout out to the MqXhosas. So obviously the next best thing to do now is to try it on. Here we go. It just goes behind my ears. Oh, this weave. I absolutely love it, guys. Love. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is to have a lookbook modeling, and I'm showing you how I'd rock the mask, because this is a style channel. Editing Nondie here have decided to instead incorporate the mask in the long-awaited winter haul book, which will be up next week. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to comment, like, share the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.